Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Knox County, southern Holmes County until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing destructive golf ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Danville and moving east at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Glenmont, Kilbuck, Farmerstown. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Holmes, and Knox.
Uh-oh. Double header. It's Pittsburgh now.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Coshocton County in east central Ohio, northwestern Grimsby County in east central Ohio, southwestern Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was detected 10 miles northwest of Walhanding and was moving east at 25 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Walhanding, Nellie, Warsaw, Leyland, Litchfield, Baltic, Coshocton, West Lafayette, Bakersville, Plainfield, Stone Creek, Newcomerstown. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Thursday morning for western Maryland and east central Ohio and southwestern Pennsylvania and northern West Virginia. This is a dangerous storm. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Tuscarawas County, Ohio.
This is NOAA.